Hello and welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. While working with Photoshop, it is possible to encounter some errors, and one of the most common error that people face is this one. The scratch disks are full. For example, I'm trying to open a document, let's say this one, or let me open a bigger one, let's say this one, like this, with Photoshop, and I get this error. Could not open this file name because the scratch disks are full. The error is not visible. Just a minute, I'll show you the complete error, how we get it. Because because the file name was a little bigger one, so you're not getting it. So the file name is shorter now. You see the complete error. Could not open this file because the scratch disks are full. No matter what I try to save, and I try to save this document and I try to open a new one, I keep on getting this error message. This is because my system is totally occupied. My C drive is full basically. So let's check how it is with this PC. So as you see, it is consuming all the resources, only a limited space left in my C drive. That's why I'm getting this error. So you can do these 2-3 things to fix up this error. The very first thing that you can do is use disk cleaner, or you can simply delete some of the unwanted files like temporary files. I have a dedicated video about how to delete temporary files from your computer. You can simply use this prefetch data or temp data. So there are so many files, so many unwanted files are available that you can actually delete from your PC and get rid of this problem. And the second thing is the use of disk cleaner. Just click on the start button and type in disk cleanup. This is the second way. For example, I want to clear this C drive. Click OK, and the process will start, and there will be a pop-up wherein you can select all the temporary files, the files that you do not need. For example, I want to clean all of them, so the data will be like 520 MB. So it will free up 529 MB of space from my computer. Recycle bin does not have a file, and then let me see what else. Recycle bin 0. So all the files that you want to delete, you can select from here and click OK, and this will delete all the files that you do not require. Just make sure that you don't delete any files that you need in future. And apart from this, what you can do is, there's one more interesting way to get rid of this disk is full error. The scratch disk is full error. So simply shut down this Photoshop. Okay, I don't want to save anything because you won't be able to save anyway. So just click on the start button again. This is the third method. Open Photoshop and just press Control and Alt while Photoshop starts. Just keep holding these two buttons and you will get this message, scratch disk preferences. And from this section you can actually add more space to your existing C drive specifically for Photoshop. For example, if I add all of them, like the 4 drives that I have, it will be about 100 GB of space. That will allow me to open big files and do a lot of stuff. Click OK, and now the Photoshop will work perfectly fine. You can open large files even if the disk is 5.98 and even like all the space in C drive is occupied. Photoshop can use a space from other drives and keep working. So thank you very much guys for watching, and click on the subscribe button because otherwise I would not know whether my videos are helping you guys or not. So just click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification also. If I come up with the next video, you should be notified. Thank you very much.